Hello, my name's Jackie Morton and I'm the Head of Computing here at Sheffield Girls. Okay, so GCSE Computer Science is the study of computers and how they work and how they can be used to bring to life solutions to problems that you've designed or to bring to life your own ideas. You can think of computer science as being divided into two main strands. On the practical side, the first part of it is developing skills in problem solving. So you'll learn how you can use different approaches to solve a complex problem by breaking it down into smaller parts, by abstracting away the details and using those techniques to help you come up with a clear step-by-step solution to a problem. So when we're learning and developing those skills, we don't actually use the computers at all. We do lots of practical hands-on activities, solving puzzles, playing games, working with mini whiteboards to puzzle out solutions to problems, and that helps you to develop these problem-solving skills that are a key part of being a computer scientist. Alongside that, on the practical side, we then obviously will use computers so that when you have a solution to a problem, you can implement that on the computer by turning it into computer code. The coding language we use here at Sheffield Girls is Python. So you will start to learn how to use Python, how to use the data structures that it provides to store data, to manipulate the data as part of what you need to do to solve different problems. Other parts of the practical work will be learning about different data structures that can be used in coding, such as arrays and databases, and how they can be developed and used as part of your programming solutions. So the second strand of the Computer Science GCSE will be the theoretical work, and this is where you will learn about how a computer works and how all computer systems work, whether that be a desktop computer or a laptop or a mobile phone or a games console. You'll learn that all those devices have the same fundamental components, and you'll learn about the role of each of those components and how they work together to make the system work. So that will include things like the processor, the memory, the secondary storage, and how all those things work together. You'll learn how computers are used to communicate across the world through data networks. You'll learn about how data and systems are kept secure in cybersecurity. And you'll also learn about developing technologies and how they are impacting upon society, things like driverless cars and artificial intelligence. So that side of the course allows you to learn about some very interesting topics. You'll learn to write answers to essay-style questions where you can debate the advantages and the disadvantages of those sort of topics. The way that the GCSE Computer Science is assessed is through two examinations at the end of the course. The first examination is the practical part of the course. So in the exam, you will write out your solutions to problems and you will write out how you would solve those using computer code. And in the second exam, that would be the theory paper, so you will be tested there on your knowledge of the theory topics that we have covered. Each of those exams is worth 50% of the qualification. Computer science will enable you to develop a range of transferable skills. The key ones I would say would be problem solving, attention to detail, analytical skills, critical thinking skills. They are all very transferable. They'll help you with your other GCSE subjects. They will help you with any A-level subjects that you go on to study. Computer science will also give you a great understanding of technology, how it works and how it can be used in different types of organisation. So in terms of future careers, any career area that you might be thinking of going into, having an understanding of computer science and how computer code can be used to automate solutions to different problems is going to help you and be something that employers would be very interested in. In computer science, there will be lots of opportunities for you to get involved in extracurricular activities. So we have a robotics club that runs throughout the school. If you're studying GCSE, that's something that you can get involved in as a mentor to help the younger students as they develop their robots. We also have a BEBRAS computational thinking competition that you can take part in each year, and that's where you can test out your problem-solving skills. We have visiting speakers that come from university to talk to you about things like digital forensics. and we have trips to the National Museum of Computing at Bletchley Park, so you can get some real hands-on experience and see some of the computers that we've been learning about and get a better understanding of some of the theoretical topics that we cover. Another visit that's very popular is we have contacts with HSBC here in Sheffield, so we can visit their offices and their data centre and learn about how they use cybersecurity and data networks to keep all their banking systems running. To finish, I would just say that I think computer science is a very engaging and enjoyable GCSE to do. There's lots of practical elements to it. We have lots of fun working together to solve problems, and it will equip you with some really essential skills that are going to help you with your wider studies and with any future career that you should want to go into. If you do have any questions about the course, please feel free to get in touch.